Okay, so let's have a look at number 3. We have been asked to express that fraction in partial fractions. So let's write it down first. 20x minus 10 all over x plus 2, 3x minus 1. Now the first thing you should try and identify with a fraction is whether it is an improper fraction or a proper fraction. To do this, what I'm going to do, although you might be able to do obviously much more efficiently, I'm just doing this for the purposes of making it really clear. If we expand the brackets out, 3x squared minus x plus 6x minus 2. If we look at the highest power or the order of the polynomial, we notice that they're both squared. Now you should know that if the power in the numerator and the power in the denominator, the highest power are the same, powers are the same, it's going to be an improper fraction. So the first thing we need to do is to do long division here, so that we can then split the remainder into partial fractions. So we're going to say 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. How many times does that go into? 9x squared plus 20x minus 10. Well, this is 3 9x squared plus 15x minus 6, and subtract. So this is 0, this we get positive 5x minus 10 minus 6 is minus 10 plus 6, which is minus 4. So now we know that this original fraction, 9x squared plus 20x minus 10 all over x plus 2, 3x minus 1 can be written as 3 plus 5x minus 4 over x plus 2, 3x minus 1. And this is the bit that we are going to do partial fractions on, and split that into partial fractions. Okay, so let's have a look. 5x minus 4 over x plus 2, 3x minus 1 can be written as a over x plus 2 plus b over 3x minus 1. Cross multiplying and cancelling the denominators out, we get a should have been multiplied by 3x minus 1 in this case, and b by x plus 2. Now from here, one method is to use substitution. That's what I'm going to use. Let x equal to minus 2. That allows us to cancel b out. So 5 times by minus 2 is minus 10, take away 4 is minus 14. 3 times by minus 2 is minus 6, take away 1 is minus 7. And we get b times by 0, so that cancels out. And so we get a equals 2. Now the next thing we could do is let x equal to, or we could let it equal anything. There would only be one unknown. Or you could let x equal to minus a third. positive a third. Take the 1 over, divide by 3, so that makes this bracket 0. So what do we get? 5 times by a third is 5 over 3. Take away 4. So 5 over 3 take away 4 is minus 7 over 3. So on the left hand side we get minus 7 over 3. In this case, a times by 0, that cancels out, and b times by 2 plus a third is 7 over 3. And so we get b equals minus 7 over 3 over positive 7 over 3, which is minus 1. And so that fraction now can be written as we had 3 originally. We know a is 2, so 2 over x plus 2 minus 1 over 3x minus 1. And if you have time, you can add these fractions together and check whether they do end up adding to what we first started off with.